Hello, my name is David with Real and Rooted, and today I'm going to talk about echinaceas, or coneflowers. Echinacea are a tough little plant that draw bees, birds, and butterflies to your garden. These particular ones that I planted today are called Cheyenne Spirit. They are a North American perennial in the daisy family, and I've actually got some growing around the pond in my backyard. As you can see, back in here, we got some pink ones that we did not plant. They are just kind of growing in the wild here. Flowering from midsummer to the first fall frost, they are drought resistant once they get established, and they can really take the heat. They prefer well-draining soil and full sun to push out their best blooms possible. The ones that I just planted are hardy down to -30, and they prefer to be planted in spring or early summer, but we just bought these now, and it's not the end of the world that we planted them a little bit late. They should be fine, but that's just when they prefer to be planted, or transplanted, or divided, whatever, spring or midsummer. But this late summer into fall kind of time isn't the worst. When planting, you want to dig a hole that is about twice the size of the pot's diameter, and make sure when you bury it that the root ball is level with the surface, and then you should be good from there. They don't require any fertilizer other than at the time of planting, and they should be set from here on out. When the blooms start to fade, you can deadhead if you wish to try to promote them to bloom once again, but it is recommended that you leave the late season blooms on to kind of promote them to self-seed themselves and spread themselves out a little bit more. And then you want to cut them back in either winter or early spring. Since I just planted these ones, I'm going to leave them this winter and then just cut them back next spring, but it's kind of up to you whenever you want to cut them back. So that was my little Echinacea kind of care tip 101 video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will show you guys updates, I'm sure, throughout the years to see how these kind of spread out and survive and grow and blossom in my yard. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.